The last warehouse sale at WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet in downtown Chipley, Florida went so well that the manager said, "Let's do it again." So WestPoint Home is now offering huge discounts on many name brand items. Sheets, towels, pillows, and household accessories, all at significant discounts, and these prices have to be seen to be believed. Huge discounts on some of our best values for the extended week of Thursday, March 24th through Sunday, April 3rd, 2022. Get name brand designs at a fraction of the cost at the big box stores, with 50% off everything in the store and 60% off all clearance items. Enjoy brand names including Southern Tide, Izod, Martex, and Velux. From blankets and throws to plush comforters to towels, sheets, pillows, shower curtains, all at low, low, low prices. Now is one of your best opportunities to give your home a spring makeover without breaking the bank. It's the WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet Spring Warehouse Sale, Thursday, March 24th through Sunday, April 3rd, 2022. Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120. And let the spring savings begin.